Hi my dear students, how are you all? Today in our next class of maths, we are going to learn a new chapter, Fun with Line. If we hold a thread in two hands and stretch it tight, we get a straight line. And if we let it hang loose, we get a curved line. Students, now we learn about different types of line. There are different types of line, but today we are going to learn about the straight line. So when we say line, we mean straight line. Now students, see here. If we hold a thread in our two hands and stretch it tight, we get a straight line. See, this is a straight line. Okay, and if we let it hang loose, we get a curved line. See, this is the curved line. Okay, now see students, this is standing line, this is sleeping line, and this is inclined line. Standing line is also called a vertical line. Sleeping line is also called horizontal line. Inclined line is also called sloping line. So we use this line to create various shapes such as square, rectangle and triangle. Activity. Here we will do an activity. Take a craft paper. If we fold a paper into half part, we get vertical, horizontal or inclined line. In the first figure, these two line is standing line, that means vertical line. In the second figure, these two line is sleeping line, that means horizontal line. And in the third figure, this line is called inclined or sloping line. Now see in this picture, I can draw a line with the help of book. I use a box to draw a line. I use a ruler to draw a line. I hope you enjoyed this topic. So keep learning something new every day. Thank you.